what is a package in Java? So package is basically just like a folder structure. You when you create a project, you have a folder structure. You might have, let's say, some classes related to some web, you know, applications or something that you implemented for web part here, or some resources or something also, anything, or it can be some application related other Java applications, Java classes, sorry. uh, they can internally contain some more classes, or you can have some libraries that you are using, or you created yourself, or you are using from some other source. So you group that all together in a package. And this package in Java is also representing the namespace. you know so the namespace is actually a mirror of the package in Java, unlike some other languages. For example, in C#, a namespace and package do not mirror each other, but in Java they actually do mirror each other. So what is the advantage of package? Of course, it avoids naming conflicts, because you can have the same class name in different packages, package one or package two, so they can be identified, because you will call them like package one dot class one and package two dot class one. So uh, of course, avoid naming conflicts, better maintain the code. Of course, self understood, this is going to help us to better maintain the code and provide unique namespace to containing classes. So each class has some unique namespace, because the package's name should be unique. And then it's easy to locate and use the classes, because you know from what kind of classes, you can group the same kind of functionality in one package. you know so that can help you in that. So of course you have also packages in the Java platform that helps you to write your Java programming classes. It has its own packages and classes inside those packages. So you have some uh, you have this package structure also inside the Java SDK or Java platform as well. And you can call those packages as APIs, and so you can use those APIs, in your code, to write your Java applications. So yeah, so what are the types? As I just explained, there are some built-in packages in the Java platform SDK, and there are user-defined packages. User-defined packages are those applications or projects you create, and built-in packages are those packages or libraries or classes or APIs, as I said, that Java platform or SDK has provided you to write your Java applications. Yeah, so I hope you understood what a package is in Java.